Opening scene. Breathtaking visuals of space and futuristic spacecraft. Welcome to the Future Files, where we embark on a thrilling journey into the future of space travel. In this episode, we explore the exciting prospects that await us beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Join me as we delve into commercial space flights, space tourism, and the ambitious plans for human colonization of other planets. Animated graphics showcasing space travel. Space exploration has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where technological advancements and private ventures are making the cosmos more accessible than ever before. Segment 1. Commercial spaceflights. The dawn of commercial space travel has opened up new horizons. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the way, revolutionizing the space industry. Visuals of commercial spacecraft. Private space companies are developing reusable rockets, driving down the cost of launches and increasing the frequency of space missions. This progress paves the way for scientific research, satellite deployment, and even potential space tourism. Segment 2. Space tourism. Space tourism, once a distant dream, is now becoming a reality. A select few have already experienced the thrill of weightlessness and gazing at our planet from space. Visuals of space tourists. In the coming years, we can expect space tourism to expand, offering more people the chance to journey beyond Earth's boundaries. Imagine floating in microgravity, witnessing breathtaking views, and experiencing the wonder of space firsthand. Segment 3. Martian exploration. The red planet has long captured our imagination. Mars, with its similarities to Earth, is seen as the next frontier for human exploration and potential colonization. Visuals of Mars missions. NASA, alongside private companies like SpaceX, has set its sights on Mars. Plans are underway for manned missions to the red planet, with the ultimate goal of establishing a sustainable human presence. It's a monumental endeavor that will push the limits of our technology and human resilience. Segment 4. Challenges and opportunities. The future of space travel is not without its challenges. From the physical and psychological impacts of long-duration space travel to the logistical hurdles of sustaining life on other planets, we face numerous obstacles. Visuals representing space travel challenges. However, with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation. Advancements in life support systems, propulsion technologies, and resource utilization will be crucial in overcoming these hurdles. Segment 5. Inspiring the next generation. As we embark on this incredible journey, it's essential to inspire the next generation of space explorers and scientists. Visuals of inspiring space moments. Engaging students in STEM education, promoting diversity and inclusion in the space industry, and fostering international collaboration are key to ensuring a bright future for space travel and discovery. And that concludes our glimpse into the future of space travel, where commercial space flights, space tourism, and the colonization of Mars hold the promise of an extraordinary future. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unravel the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the frontiers of science and technology that will shape our destiny among the stars.